Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. How to fix it. First, open settings. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi network which you are connected to. Now, after tapping on it, ensure that low data mode is turned off. Ensure that this option is turned off. After that, scroll down and find configure DNS. Make it manual and delete all the server which you have added. Tap on add server, type 8.8.8.8 and add a server again, type 8.8.4.4 and tap on done. Step 2, reset network setting. Turn on flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off again. Now check your Wi-Fi speed by visiting fast.com on Google, on Chrome or any web browser. Now step 3, turn off low power mode. Go to settings, select battery and turn off low power mode option. Step 4, reset network settings. Go to settings again, scroll down and tap on general. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset network setting and reset it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.